I work for Wyeth Pharmaceuticals. We're part of the global clinical team, and specifically, we're in global medical affairs, which handles clinical trials. We had a need for a workflow tool, and we're looking at different workflow solutions, and our ISIT department created a center of excellence where they implemented BPM as the platform, and we chose that platform to have our instance of BPM. The primary business improvement that we implemented was for a 24/7 workflow tool for clinical submission activities and to be able to pass work off globally for these documents that ultimately need to be submitted to the FDA. The deployment has enabled us to get reporting and metrics that we were not able to do before. Also, it has allowed us to go to a full 24/7 workflow and be able to handle all of our processing of documents offshore. Currently, all of our primary users, and these are the ones who need these documents to be formatted for the clinical submissions. They're globally in all parts of the world, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, and then our primary workers are in Bangalore, and they're the ones who format the documents and get them prepared to be sent. We're actually now able to fully handle all of our processing of these clinical documents offshore. So we were able to decrease headcount, increase productivity, and then also ultimately decrease the standard turnaround time for these documents. We currently do have some other initiatives planned in the form of certain enhancements to our system. We're also looking at the dashboard reporting tool, and we have other processes within the clinical submission document lifecycle process that we would like to implement, such as the pre-plan, craft, and review of the documents. Recommendations I would make is definitely utilize the dashboard tool if available. Also, make sure you have your business process down before development starts and agree upon that business process so you don't have to consistently change it. Communication, as in anything else, is key. Always involve the right people when implementing these different processes and workflows within your organization. Implementing BPM for our clinical submission activities has given us a unique advantage within the industry, as not many other companies within our industry are utilizing BPM or workflow for these clinical submission documents and those types of activities.